Oh yeah, everybody, we got something fun to entertain you this weekend. We have a case opening of brand new H-Case Basic. We haven't done a video for a little bit, but this is a good time to do one. Focus on something brand new, H-Case. So without further ado, we're going to take a top-down look of the case. Sweet. I haven't personally opened one yet, so I don't even know what all's in here. I know there's two of the cars, but that is it. The first three cars in the case, we've got the BMW K1300R motorcycle. We've got the Duck and Roll. And then we've got the 84 Sport Quattro in bright red. That is new. That is awesome. Check that out. It's got like a nice little vent on the hood. The PR5's on there. Okay, the next three cars are the Porsche Carrera, which we've had before in yellow. We've had the Porsche Turbo Gold before. And then we have the Sky Dome. Oh wow, it's an Olympics car there. It says Tokyo 2020. The Sky Dome. It says basketball on the side there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Basketball. That's a brand new car. Next three cars in the case. We got the Dune It Up, which we've had before. We've got the Chevy Nova wagon with the flames on it, which we've had before. And then guess what? We got another Tokyo 2020 car. Cool. I wonder if there's going to be several of these in this case. Got the Tokyo logo on the roof of the car there with the rings. This one has artistic gymnastics on the side of it. Interesting. It's the High Beam Tokyo 2020. The next three cars in the case are the Twin Mill Genie and the Motosaurus, which we've had before. The Twin Mill Genie I do not remember in this color. It's got like a carbonite red on it. Two of those per case. We've had the Wiley's Jeep before. We've had the Power Rocket before. It says X-Rays on the side. We've had the Hyper Rocker before. The next three in the case are the Greenwood Vet, which we've had that before. We've had the Heavy Hitcher before. We have not had the 2013 green Camaro. I actually didn't know they made this in green. Special edition Camaro in green. Okay, we've got another Tokyo 2020 car. This is the Skate Grom. It's got the logo on his chest there. Cool. I wonder if there's just going to be, you know, several more of these Tokyo 2020s. Got it on the skateboard. We've got the Hudson Hornet, which we've had. Gotta love that car. And then we got 8 Crate. This one's got some weight to it. It's just looking at the base there. It's got a nice little green to black fade on it. New color. I like the 8 Crate. The next three in the case. Again, we've had the Nova Wagon. We've had the Pixel Shaker. We've had the Nissan GTR 35 before. Gotta like that car though. We've got the Robo Race Robo car. That one right there, I don't think we've had this. It's got really cool decals on the top of it. Very cool. Haven't seen that one before. Then we've had the RV There Yet, which we've had a couple of times. Then we've got the Chevy Nova World War II fighter decal. Instead of green, this one's red and dark red. It's got the camo red on it. I like it. The next three in the case are the Custom El Camino, which we've had. The Honda S2000 in a brand new colorway here. It's got the Greddy on the side with the side tampos. The Honda S2000 in yellow. Super cool. And then we have a car that I wanted so bad when I was young. I wanted this car so badly. 91 GMC Cyclone. The full Blazer version was called the Typhoon. This car went 0 to 60 faster than almost anything on the road at the time that people could afford in high school. But man, that car is sweet. One of those is going to go in my case, I promise. GMC Cyclone. I love it. The next three, we've had the two Jets before. We've had the Nissan GTR. We've had the Greenwood Vet. The last three on the top. Oh, look at that. We got a McLaren P1 and an Aqua. That's cool. We have the Leinster prototype again. We have the Heavy Hitcher. Okay, now we're on the bottom section. Take a quick view of it. Oh yeah. I see a couple of items that I've been wanting to look at. First three cars in the case are Custom Ford Maverick in black, which we've had. HW Formula Solar. I don't remember if we've had this color on this one. Check this out. 2019 Corvette ZR1 convertible in bright orange. That is very nice. I like it. ZR1 convertible. The next three have one of the most anticipated cars of 2020. You've got the Leinster prototype again. You've got the gold Porsche 944. And then you've got the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Party Wagon. Check that thing out. People have been waiting on this one. Super cool. It's got like a glossy, kind of shiny metallic looking top to it. A couple guns on the top. There's the Party Wagon. Cowabunga, dude. Next three in the case are the... Okay, we got this Silverado Trail Boss in white. We've got the Bat Plane, which we've had the Bat Plane before. And then we got the Porsche Panamera in bright electric blue. This is the Turbo E Hybrid Sport Turismo Porsche. Nice. This case got some good cars in it, that's for sure. The next three, we have the Rockin' Santa sled. We have the Honda City Turbo. We've got a cool one. Then we have the Bone Shaker. We've got another cool one. And then we have the Volvo 850 Estate. The last one came in white with blue checks on it. This one's dark blue with red and silver. I like that particular model. I don't know that it's popular yet, but you never know. The Volvo Estate. The next three are the 96 Porsche Carrera, which we've had. We have the El Camino before. And then you got the 70 Dodge Power Wagon, and I don't remember this being a basic car before, but you gotta love the Power Wagon. Look at that thing. It's bad to the bone. 1970 Power Wagon. Love it. The next three in the case, we've had all three of these. We've got a Duck and Roll, a Chrysler Pacifica, and a Hudson Hornet. Oh, interesting. We've got the ZR1 convertible again. We've got a Momo Bluebird wagon, which matches the 510 normal Bluebird with the decals. And then we've got one more party wagon in the case. We've got three that we've had again. The two Jets, the Total Disposal, and the Ion Motors Thresher. Down to the end here. We've got the Nerve Hammer. We've got the Robo Race. And we've got the Honda City Turbo. The last six in the case. Case is empty. Oh yeah, we've had the Hyper Rocker. We've got a brand new color of Cloak and Dagger. I always did like that car too. And then we've got another one of the Cyclone, which is probably my personal favorite from the case. And then the last three cars are a Maverick in black, Dodge Dart, oops, sorry, and then we have the Jaguar in like a turquoise teal. Okay, so last case, we got a Super, and I have not given that out yet, so I'm going to give that out this week. So be sure to subscribe to us to give yourself a shot at winning the Super. I might give away a few more things this week as well. It's been a little while since we've done a giveaway. We hope that this has been fun for you to check out the new case. The basic cases are always a blast. I'm going to have at least 2 more videos this week. We've got Disney pop culture and we've got Matchbox coming. Thanks again for joining us. This is Wheel Collectors with Hot Off the Truck.